very good morning all of you. Welcome to class 3-4. Our today's topic for class 3-4 is sentences. Here we talk about the sentences. What is sentence? Types of sentences. Exercise whatever you have to help with the practice, and how to identify the sentence. First of all, you have to tell about the what is the sentences. Understand? So let's read its definition in a form of how can we consider it. A sentence is a group of words. A sentence is a group of words arranged in a such way that it makes complete sense. Sentence is just a group of words which we have to use to make a meaningful sentence. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. Understand? A sentence must have a verb. Main important part is sentence have a verb. Understand? आपको पता लग गया कि sentence क्या है? Which we can summarize that sentence is a group of words, right? Group of words start with capital letter, ends with 3 marks of punctuation. It can be question, it can be exclamation, it can be full stop. And sentence most important thing is it have must a verb. Okay. The common thing I can say, the common things of sentences are each sentence start with a capital letter, each sentence has a verb, and different type of sentences end with the different marks. It can be full stop, question mark and mark of exclamation. Let's talk about the statement which we call the declarative. Here I given you the 4 type of sentences. First of all, declarative which we consider statement. Second one is questionary which we consider interrogative. Imperative we concluded 2 things included like command and request. Exclamatory which sign of exclamation express. Understand? Let's talk about the declarative. Declarative sentence makes a statement. We say normal fact using declarative sentence. Such a sentences which we commonly use like he is a good player. Okay, मैं आपको जंबल तरीके से बताती हूँ. Like I can say just group of words you have to take. Is he a good player? Is he a good player? It is the type of jumbled, like, right, group of words. We have to arrange it to make meaningful words, meaningful sense to complete it. So we start about the first we have subject, then verb, then object. I can start. Subject can be noun, can be pronoun. Understand? Noun the name of a person, place or thing. Pronoun which we place with name, person, animal or thing. It can be he, she, it, etc. We, you, they. Okay. So here you have to find out subject. Subject of pronoun is he. Helping verb next is a good player is a object. Object form in a complement or adverb, adjective, etc. Fine. So हमने इसको एक meaningful sense बना दिया. Is a good player he say. He is a good player. Understand? Meaningful word to complete sentence. Right? Now talk about an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence that asks a question and end with a question mark. Sentence is used to ask for information, find out facts. Now talk about the interrogative sentence start with. Interrogative sentence always start with a helping verb and WH word. Helping verb and WH word. Helping verb I tell you, and I'll tell you also about the WH family. Helping verb you have like is, am, are, has, have, will, shall, do, does, was, were, did, shall, will, can, may, could, would, should. These we called helping verb. Whatever questions start with these helping verb, we consider and with the question mark, and we consider it questionary. Now talk about the WH family. WH family is what, why, where, who, when, which, how, whom, whose. We consider it WH family. Understand? Whatever sentences start with these ends with question mark, we consider it questionary. If I say what is the time? What is the time? Start with WH family. If I say do you know that guy? Do you know that guy? So that is start with do and end with question mark. So simply you will find out. Next we talk about the imperative. Imperative sentences express commands and make request or give advice and end with a full stop. We called it imperative sentences. Okay, that give advice and make request and end with a full stop. We called it imperative sentences. If I say about the request, please help me. अब आप बोलोगे कि यहाँ सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. Whenever I tell you about the declarative and interrogative, there is a subject. But I tell you here is the subject hidden. मैंने आपसे हेल्प मांगी है, प्लीज हेल्प मी. तो यहाँ करने वाले ऑल प्रोसीजर डन बाय द सब्जेक्ट एंड सब्जेक्ट इज हेयर यू. यू इज हिडन हेयर. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस इज रिक्वेस्ट. नाउ टॉक अबाउट द कमांड. I said stop. I said shut the door. Like this. Give you command. So they are the sentences give orders and commands. We called it command. Imperative. Let's talk about the last, an exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence always show the strong feelings. Strong feelings. It is quite like declarative sentence, but it expresses emotion and excitements. Okay, if I say stop teasing me, stop teasing me, here I am using exclaim, right? So these are exclamation. मैंने उस बात पे जोर दिया है, stop teasing me. Understand? So these are exclaim sentence. I say what a beautiful day it is. What a beautiful day it is. How hot the water is. How hot the water is. Hooray, we won the match. Hooray, we won the match. Understand? Like this. आपने नोटिस किया the not I have given you here statement, question, exclamatory, imperative sentence, right? But notice that punctuation mark used after each type of sentence, like statement and with full stop, right? Question and with question mark, exclamatory and with exclamation sign, and imperative and with full stop, right? Here I give you example. Understand? Like here, first number, he is a very good player. Understand? Statement start with capital letter and with full stop. Now talk about question. What are children doing? Start with WH family and with question mark. Exclamatory, get out, get out. Here is commandable, but sometimes short commands can also end with an exclamation mark. So we consider it exclamatory. That is exceptional case. Imperative, that can be command, that can be request. Like I show you here. Please give me a pen. Making you request. The same. If I say please pass me the salt. Like this. Subject is hidden here. Understand? So these type of sentences I think you have to learn. It will be also helpful for to do exercise whenever you do it. So have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay home.